In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell USDT on Trust Wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your Tether into your local currency and have the funds sent to your bank using the built-in providers inside the app. Start by opening Trust Wallet and heading to your assets list. Find USDT and tap it to open the tokens page. If you hold USDT on multiple networks, make sure you select the one that actually contains your balance, such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Tron. You should see the correct logo, network label, and the amount you own. If you don't see USDT right away, use the search bar and enable it so it appears in your list. It's also a good idea to confirm your app is updated and that you have a reliable internet connection before you begin. From the USDT page, tap Sell, or in some versions, tap Buy and Sell and choose the Sell option. Enter how much USDT you want to convert. You can type a specific amount or pick a quick percentage if shown. Then choose your local fiat currency so the app can display a clear estimate in your money. Take a moment to review the quoted exchange rate, any provider fees, and the minimum amount required. Because this sale usually involves an on-chain transfer to the provider, you may need a small amount of the network's native coin to cover gas. For example, ETH for USDT on Ethereum or BNB for USDT on BNB Smart Chain. If the estimate doesn't look right, adjust the amount or currency until you're comfortable. Next, select a payment provider from the list. Different providers may offer different rates, fees, supported currencies, and payout methods in your region. Trust Wallet will hand you off to the provider's flow, where you'll be asked to verify your identity if required and link the bank account that will receive your money. Make sure the name on your bank account matches your identification and double check your account details before confirming. Follow the prompts carefully. You'll likely approve a transaction in Trust Wallet to send your USDT to the provider's address. After the blockchain confirms the transfer, the provider processes your payout and sends funds to your linked account. You can monitor the status in the provider's interface and in your wallet's history. Bank transfers can be near instant or take up to a few business days, depending on your country and method. Stick to the in-app providers, avoid sharing sensitive information with anyone, and keep screenshots or receipts for your records. That's it. Open USDT, set your sell amount and currency, choose a provider, and complete the payout to your bank.